Yeah, people say it don't know it's the voice of the Gryzzly beer. RVM, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media. Kranium. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How I go on? How I go on, bro?
I'm a drive 14 hours
14
for
hours.
5 minutes.
As Kranium.
Even last long.
Run.
Too excited.
What you tell me now? What you tell me the extent where you go for front? You see me I say? Yeah, all of the real soldier them. Yeah, man, I want you to tell me the level and the extent where you ever go for front. See? So Kranium, you don't know, Kranium a big bad artist. You know songs like nobody nothing know, say me and you are. You see it? Yeah. And you know what I mean? Other popular songs like that one day and that one day. You see me? And this. Zin. But watch you now. Kranium. I tell a story. You know what I mean? And I make we know say this is how the thing go down. You know what I mean? You know when you meet a gem or you go in a garden and you see a flowers you want to pick it and you know them something they go. You have some real woman out there who go hold it. You see me and say? Yeah. Year one you don't know him still in our skin and him still a text and you don't know. You must keep it real cause check for the B. You see me and say? Year two. Check for the B. You see me and say? Still they see me and them thing there. Boy can. Hey, Kranium. Big up to you, you brother. Patience level turn up, you know. Yeah, man, not even hospital have patience like you. You hear me, I tell you.
It's hard for the ministers to come. Because the difference is, the difference with this situation was, remember, me I put in 3 years of work for this. Because this is a girl that was loyal to, I understand, this is not a regular girl. This was a girl that was loyal to fear.
Yeah, man, the man wait 3 years. 3 years, you know, people. Tell the beer. Yeah, the beer want to know. How long you go wait? You know what I mean? How long you da? You see me I say? A girl tell her say, you know, I can't make you know say, you know? Yeah, you know, me have my relationship and you see me? Boy, Kranium move like one of them cop there. Man just a pursue. You see me I say? Yeah man, pursue. Yeah man, a hot pursuit man. Hot pursuit. Zin. So after 3 years, I don't know what, you know a life setup, but I don't know what go on. But you know something going on and you know, the script flip. And she knock up the charge and I say, here what go on. You know say, more you come tickle my fancy. Kranium get excited because you know what that mean already. You see me and say, fancy tickling and panty movements and hey. So, when him check the whole thing, goes and jump online and I say, here what go on, I have to check for a flight and now because I want to reach quick. I never want to there wait. When him check a giant flight, you know, say you have to jump off of that plane and jump on the plane then. The waiting period process the in-between flight. The man I say, 3 years, She want it now, I gonna give it to her now. She want it now, I gonna give it to the man say, here what? I gonna get a car. The man in Virgin drive 14 hours.
When me the 12 hours in I drive, no, like when me the 9 hours in I drive, reality starts. It's some clown thing, you know.
But say I came too far.
To where I'm started now.
Talk to my people. Yeah, don't know say Reggae Vibes Media, the world media, Zin. Yeah. And if you are here for the first time and you haven't subscribed as yet, just subscribe. Boom. You know what I mean? My little small team would have loved that something there. You see me I say, I wanna make it possible, you know, I wanna make it there go and do the do. You see it? Yeah. And the notification bell so you can get notified as we drop something. Yeah, as the world media drop something, boom. You can get it. Someone you tell me in a comment, how long you ever drive for some front? You see me I say? How long you ever drive to get some front? Zin, cause remember you know we are yard man, so yard man genetics different. You see me I say, I remember I Jamaica time there, you know.
God kill me for that. I'm a drive 14 hours
14 hours.
for 5 minutes.
As Kranium.
Even last long. Too excited. Me I tell you say yo.
No, but me I say though.
Yeah, people, I want to talk about that youth, yeah. You know what I mean? He's known as Jamal Sanders, most popularly known as J. Shepherd. What me say? J Shepherd, that youth have a new song we are going around the place right now. We are create a buzz. You see me and say? It name Go Get It. And when I hear them sing your motivation, go get it. Now sit down and wait for it to come to you. You have to go get it. Then, so J Shepherd, I make you know, say listen, go get it. Yeah man, you need to go check out J Shepherd page over there set up on the tube. Listen to the song. See it right there, so? Yeah man. J Shepherd, yeah man, Jamal Sanders. Yeah man, a different type of vibration that you can come forward with. I bring a different energy. You see me, I say a positive vibes. And right now, I tell you, buzzing, the artists are buzz. You know what I mean? So J Shepherd, go and big up yourself in my general. And go and do the you know. Because you have to give thanks to life to same speed. Because at a point in your life, you experience one of them life and death, near death experience there. You know what I mean? Where you were shot in the face. Give thanks to life, Shepherd. Give thanks for life, my general. You see me I say? From the RVM team, from the Reggae Vibes Media family, yeah bro. So people, that youth I wanna youth them way. When they need to listen to, they need to give them the strength and the support. Because remember, you know, a jarron thing. And if you get shot in the face and you are granted life and the words were uttered from your mouth, your temple of positive energies. Then, yeah man, we need to support youths like them youth. So J Shepherd, go and big up yourself and the song name, Go Get It. You hear me I tell you? Go get it. Yeah man. See it in my mind already. Can't stop them, like them, if you can't wait. Go get it.